This Remax Equity Group property video is presented by gmoore. Lots of room here. Large master bedroom with full bath, double walk-in closets plus awesome view of Mount Hood and territory from the corner windows. Huge kitchen. 4 bedrooms plus a bonus room. Good sized utility room on main level. The roof was replaced approximately 5 years ago, so that is done. The home was livable as it is but needs some fixing and updating here and there to make it shine. No garage, but there is room to build one or a shop. Great location behind a large hedge sitting way back off the street. For more information, review the details below or contact gmoore at 503-495-3629.